How to delete Instagram search suggestions. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, navigate to the search tab. Once you're in this page, at the top, you're going to see the search box. Tap on it. Now, go ahead and type in anything. Instagram will automatically suggest you some Instagram accounts. So, firstly, let's try to clear the search history. So click on the option See All, then click on Clear All, click on Clear All. Once you have cleared the search history, now let's try to search for any account. Still, Instagram will suggest you some accounts. So let's restart the Instagram app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen, remove the Instagram app, relaunch it, and then try to search for any of the account. Instagram is still showing me the same account from earlier even though I cleared my search history. Also, I have force closed the app. So here's the trick to get rid of the account from your search suggestions. You'll need to go to profile of that person and block the person. So navigate to the profile of that person, click on three dots given at the top right, select the option block. Do the same for all the accounts that you don't want in the search suggestions. Now I can go back and try to search for that initial. The accounts that you have blocked won't appear in the search suggestions. Until Instagram provides a native way to clear search suggestions, this is your best bet. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.